In the class, we have already done the basic proportionality theorem. That is called BPT, and we say it as a Thales theorem also. Now, according to the corollary, now what we have to prove? Now, if in a triangle ABC, a line DE is parallel to BC, intersect AB at D and AC in E, then AD upon AB is equals to AE upon AC. And just see, and the second part what we have to prove is BD upon AB is equals to CE upon CA. Now, how will we prove it? From basic proportionality theorem, we know AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. We have already proved it in the BPT theorem. Right? Now, and we can write the reciprocal of it. We can write this also. Ki dB upon AD is equals to EC upon AE. I can write this also. The reciprocal of it. Okay? Now, see, if I add 1 to both the side, so you know if AD is the LCM, it will be DB plus AD and it will be EC plus AE upon AE. Now what is DB plus AD? It is AB. So AB upon AD is equals to what is EC plus AE? You know it is AC. So AC upon AE. Right. And the reciprocal of it can be AD upon AB is equals to AE upon AC. So just see your first part is been proved. Similarly, we will prove the second part also. Right, from BPT we have AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Now do one thing again. We can add 1 to both the sides. So it will be AD upon DB plus 1 equals to AE upon EC plus 1. Right. So what are we going to get? I'll get AD plus DB upon DB is equals to AE plus EC upon EC. Clear to you? Now just see to the figure. What is AD plus DB? AD plus DB is AB. And what is AE plus EC? That is AC. So in place of AD plus DB, I can write AB. So AB upon DB is equals to AC upon EC. Right. And we can write the reciprocal of it also. What we can write? DB upon AB is equals to EC upon AC. I think it is clear to you. Okay. So it is proved. Let's do one example. In the figure, PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. And you know it's a triangle ABC. Right? And AP is 2.4. AP is 2.4. And AQ is 2 centimeter. And QC is 3 centimeter. Find AB. So what will be AB? A will be AP plus BP. So solution now. In triangle ABC, we know PQ is parallel to BC. Right. So in BPT means basic proportionality theorem, we have, see, you have proved the theorem now. It will be AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. Now we know what is AP. AP is 2.4. What is PB? We have to find PB first. And what it is? AQ is 2 and QC is 3. So what will by BP will come? It will be 3 into 2.4 upon 2. You all know how to cross multiply, and it comes to 3.6 centimeter. So what is AB equals to now? AB is equals to AP plus PB. So it will be AP is 2.4 and PB is 3.6. So it will come to 6 centimeter. I think it is clear to everyone. Okay then. Thank you, class.